Travels. Yeah!
Well, welcome to Costa Travels. We're going back in time. I believe this was around 2017 or 18. And there was a windstorm that went through the valley and hit Edinburg. I was living in Edinburg at the time, and this neighborhood was right in the neighborhood I lived in. So the storm came in and it knocked down every utility pole. You want to call it a light pole, a telephone pole, but okay, let's give it the name utility pole. But look at this, right on top of a house. I believe the house got damaged. I went back to the neighborhood here and I noticed that the poles here at that time they were wood, but now they replaced them with metal poles. So they should be able to withstand the wind a little better, and the rain that it came rain and the wind, and it just I guess the poles were corroded and ready to break apart anyway. So, but it was very impressive to see all these utility poles down, and sad to say, but they damaged some of the homes here. It's a very nice neighborhood here in Edinburg, or here by it's on I believe at Ruby Street, 17 and a half and Ruby. Like I said, yeah, I lived here for a while and I enjoyed my time living in Edinburg. I'm enjoying my time now living in Harlingen, but I'm just glad to call Edinburgh home. What a storm, huh? Luckily, none of the houses caught on fire. You know, it took them a while to replace them all. I can recall that, but
Casty travels
the sight to see.
all around the world.
Yeah, see, from all
See
17 and a
a
half
little old man
and Ruby Street.
recording.
That a lot of people know where that is.
It's Casty travels.
So, well, thanks for joining me, and it's a quick look back.
It's Casty
And
travels
one of the storms that hit the valley back in
all
2018.
around